beautiful people. Today I'm going to make a vlog on what's inside my bag. Okay, so this one is Charles and Keith bag, and I would like to show you what's inside my bag. So the first thing that's inside my bag is my wallet. This one is from Fossil. It's a bit old, but I still love it. And then I have my wet tissues, okay? And then I have the sunglasses, the glasses, the case for the glasses, to clean the glasses. And then I have my comb, which I bring occasionally, not all the time. And what else? This is a power bank charger, okay. And then the actual charger. And I always bring these two things wherever I go, which are the hand sanitizer and also minyak kayu putih. So that is all what's inside my bag. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.